Hey guys, it's James here at Workshop Software. How you going? Trust you well. It's the middle of July 2021 right now, and for us over here in Australia, we've kind of got the opposite of what's maybe going on in other parts of the world, like the US, our friends in the US and our friends in the UK who are completely free. We've been put into lockdown, and of course, you know, it does pose its challenge for business. And I wanted to give you some really important insights and some ideas that you can actually take away that might really help you during this time. Now, I've gotten the team, and the team have done an awesome job over the last couple of days. We have rung a whole heap of clients in the Sydney area and in the Melbourne and Victorian area in particular, because they're the areas that are locked down. We've been on the phones, we've been checking in, we've been finding out what's going on and what's happened, and I want to give you some insights from sort of the horse's mouth, so to speak. So this is from a whole heap of workshops that we've been in contact with, and what they're saying about what's going on and some of the challenges that they're having and some of the feedback that they've got. So first up, what we've found is that basically everyone's open. We've had some people have had some challenges where they've had to, for example, maybe send some people home, you know, some team members, that sort of thing that they've gone and sent home. But generally speaking, everyone's open, which is really, really cool. Some of them don't have, maybe got a little bit of a challenge with some businesses in terms of the customers coming in. However, what we've actually found is that most people have got a good number of customers. Customers are still coming in, which is really, really great. They are finding though that the bookings are maybe dying down a little bit, and so I think that's an important thing, and I'll get to that in just a second. But it is great to hear that people are generally open. In Sydney, what we found in people who have got, there's three, if you're not aware, there's three local government areas that have got some very strict lockdowns, and so if you're in those areas or just around those areas, they're finding it a little bit more challenging. And in Victoria, there is a 5 kilometre, you know, customer can't travel more than 5 kilometres. So if you've got a customer that's more than 5 k's away, they can't come to your workshop. So there's a couple of challenges like those sorts of things. So we're seeing, yeah, bookings are a bit slow. What we're also seeing is that, and maybe this is a general thing, but parts delivery, particularly parts from overseas, are becoming a little bit more challenging to get delivered, which is a little bit of a challenge. So they're taking a bit longer and that sort of stuff. One thing that I think, or a couple of things that you guys can do to make this better for your business. What we've found is that people at the moment have not got a major issue. So what they're finding that people are still coming in, but these are probably people that were already booked in a week or so ago. So there's really been no change to the business. But what I think that we really need to be careful of is what's going to happen in 2 weeks' time when, you know, you get to the end, and maybe over the next week or so, there's not going to be quite so many people booking in. That's going to be really critical. So I think what you should be doing is getting in touch with your clients. You can use the communication center inside Workshop Software, for example. Send out emails, send out text messages, say we're open. Got to get on your social media channels. We are open. Please book in. You know, it's business as usual. You can come to our workshop. We've got these plans in place. You know, let your customers know what the COVID plans are. Do you have a COVID plan is an important aspect. So, and what we're finding is that a lot of people are actually have got a lot of COVID plans in place, which is really, really awesome as well. So, you know, and that's maybe a question for you as well. So what's your COVID plan? But I would definitely get onto what's on your website. Do you have on your website, you know, open for business? It's really, really important. I've actually in my own, at home, we've had, you know, we buy from a local shop, buy some food and groceries at the local shop, and we didn't know whether it was open or not. Now, people are thinking like this. They don't know whether a mechanic's open or not, but if you tell them that you're open, I think that's a really, really important part for you to get more business in the door. People don't know that you're open. So I would be sending them out text messages, I'd be sending them emails, and I'd put it on my social, on all of those sorts of platforms. Really, really important. Make sure you got your online bookings. Are they in place? You know, can people book in your workshop really, really easily? So that online booking is now just such an important part of your business. So just from a business standpoint, what grants can you get? So I certainly know that the New South Wales government are offering various grants. Use your business intelligence to go and find out the information that you need. We've found out a lot of clients are using it. We've got some really great feedback, and it's one of those interesting things. The business intelligence has really come to the fore in these sorts of circumstances when people can drill into their business and get that intelligence out so that they know what's going on. And And so I use that, use the reports to find out what your value was in terms of sales and things like that, and what grants that you've got maybe at your disposal, which I think is very important. Couple of funny things. The Victorians go, well, hey, it's business as usual. We've done this 5 times now. So hey to our friends down there in Victoria. But, we're feeling your pain up here now in Sydney with this lockdown. But, they were joking about it, that it's just business as usual and probably going to happen another couple of times. But look, let's hope not. Let's hope that we can all get back to a normal life, but I'm hoping that this is going to give you a bit of insight. We're there for you. If you need any help, please get in contact with the team. Email support@workshopsoftware.com. Get in touch with the team via a phone call if you need to. But we are here to help you. We've got some good ideas, and the team have been absolutely awesome in getting in contact with heaps and heaps of people. We will continue to do that too. So we really appreciate your insights into this, because what we've been able to do is to gather a whole heap of information and be able to share it with the industry, because we see ourselves, we're industry leaders, and we want to help the industry to grow, thrive and survive through this period, and come out the other end. But I would really take a think about what's going to happen in a couple of weeks when the lockdowns are potentially lifted, and what's going to happen to your business. Are you going to see maybe you're still going business as usual, and then there's a drop off when we get back open again? So be prepared for that. I'd definitely be sending out those communications. But look, I hope this really helps, guys. We're here to help. Stay safe, stay strong, and I'm really proud of the resilience of our industry. Thanks. Take care. Bye for now.